helicopter, see the helicopter. Informer boy, them call the police and the chopper. Tell me, rude boy, what the hell is
blood
this?
clot,
Informer
boy, them a call the police.
Trying to sell him split.
But I was shooting blood clot shot in them bumper clad there. I saw them
boy, them call the police and the chopper.
foreign.
Tell me, rude boy, what the hell is this? Ganja man selling weed, Rasta needs his split. Which one is nigga? Shall we catch by his toe?
Bad boy coming up the stage, you know. But asking for that big boy and them cars, jigga.
It was early in the morning when the sun started burning. Deep up in me heart, me say me know me get the yawning. But about the same time when me get the phone call, cause that's your fault, the money get the weed up out, they call me pause. Choppers in the air, me hear the voice I'm calling. Two suitcases out the trunk real fast up there me running. And I never ever really give a second thought, but a ganja business hustling and no it's not me fault me start. Now no money running business that fit on it. Informer boy them ears me still a head I'm burning. But I never really business, never really care. For the choppers and camcorders, them I fly up in the air, me stare. Two spliffs in me mouth and then me ducking. See your boy you losing, cheapy show them got them jumping. Me beg you, Jaja, me say ask you, me so please. But I roll up my ganja while I tie the thing to seize me please. See the helicopter, see the helicopter. Informer boy, them call the police and the chopper. Tell me, rude boy, what the hell is this? Ganja man on the corner, trying to sell him split. Me say, see the helicopter, see the helicopter.
Right up.
Informer boy, them call the police and the coppers. Tell me, rude boy, what the hell is this? Ganja man selling weed, Rasta needs his split.
I see the eagle eye in the air, but we don't care, we ain't scared. Middle fingers in the sky like flares, no swears, can't compare. So you watch us like televisions. You make it comfortable for them snitches to tell what they vision. But it's amazing what they do to a flick. They have you looking sick on cam, both hands holding up ish. Think your privacy's private player? Hell nah, from the womb to the tune, every move's on digital data. Paparazzi's camped out like Nazis. Heroes today, tomorrow a villain. They making a killing. Yeah, YouTube your whole life while you're chilling. Your MySpace invaded like life from a different base. Cameras on your dollars so they can watch us on the chase. Put down your Rugers. Technology's the new weapon for the future. Clicks go clacking like mouses or computers. Certified shooter, spitting hot like a fire-breathing monster.
See the helicopter,
like CJ with the rocket launcher.
see the helicopter, see the helicopter. Informer boy, them call the police and the chopper. Tell me, rude boy, what the hell is this? Ganja man on the corner, trying to sell him split. Me say, see the helicopter, see the helicopter. Informer boy, them call the police and the coppers. Tell me, rude boy, what the hell is this? Ganja man selling weed, Rasta needs his split. Me say, see the helicopter, me hear them in the air. People hear the pop-up sounds and they come out to stare. Tell you, rude boy, say that me not really care. And a farmer boy in Babylon and coffee shops them share. Driving one night from the dance hall, had them jumping. Me and me daughter want go home and start the loving. So about the same time when me reach up in me yard, me light up me spliff and put me foot up out the car, me pause. Reach up on the block, it looking kinda funny. See some niggas in the park car, know that it's a dummy. But about the same time when me girl reach up me yard, me brethren, yo jigga, get your ass back in the car, my fuck. So my girl turn around to play it cool. Know that jigga boy, they said that no, you ain't no fool. If it didn't matter or if it really didn't care, but camcorders and choppers, them a fly up in the air, me stare. Now the Babylon run up out the car to arrest the Rasta man that we up in his jar. Before me get the chance to draw up off me weed, the Babylon pull his gun and said, yo nigga, freeze me, breathe. See the helicopter, informer boy, them call up police and the chopper. Tell me, rude boy, take it away. What the hell is this? Get the fuck off me, man. Man, trying to sell. You can't harass me, man. I got my rights. The smoking, man. Leave my girl alone. Don't tell him nothing, baby. Wait till we get out.